Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to restore deleted files in Windows 11. Open your web browser and paste the link you can find in the description box down below. Open the web page. Click on Download Free Version. Scroll down and click on Free Download. Click on Download. Set the path to save the file. Open the installation file. Click on Yes in the pop-up window. Click on Install. Wait until it is done. Click on Run Recuva. Recuva will open. Click on Next. Select what sort of files you're trying to restore. You will see a list of options: pictures, music, documents, video, compressed, email, or all files. Choose the file type and click on Next. Choose the previous location for the files. If you're not sure, check I'm not sure. If you know the location, choose it from the list or select in a specific location option. Click on Next. Check Enable Deep Scan option. Click on Start. Wait until it finds the files. It will show you the file or list of files the app found. Select the file you want to restore. Click on Recover. Choose where to recover the file in the new window. Click OK. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!